There's so many ads for all of these products. Not necessarily a bad thing, but oh my goodness, there is one, I think this is the first time ever on my channel that I have tested like a phone game, like an app, because I have never seen so many big name celebrities being used to advertise this one game. I couldn't believe it. Like if you're thinking of a celebrity, yeah, no, they definitely did an advertisement for this. Crazy. I still have to download it on my phone, so let's start with a lip product. This is the NYX Smushy Matte Lip Balm. Smushy. I don't understand the texture, but I am excited. And all of them have like a different scent profile to them, which is kind of cool. It's got the little silicone applicator here. It's supposed to be able to fit a tint, but not like a really thick, glossy lip balm. Oh, I should take off the one that I have on right now. So this is supposed to be very hydrating, but like a diffused lip color in almost that blurred, semi-matte kind of way. I forgot what scent I got. This is Sweet Snack, number 3. What scent are you? Strawberry cheesecake. Awesome. Oh, that's really intense. I don't know why I was thinking of like a glide on color, you know? Oh, okay. It's one thing to look in a viewfinder. It's very different to look in a mirror. I like that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Stop. Oh my gosh, I love that. No. I love this so much. It's this kind of consistency that I love in the Rare Beauty, their lip thing that apparently is no longer at Sephora. You guys all let me know. So mad about that. But this is that consistency, that like soft blur. I love this consistency. I feel like it's so flattering. Oh my gosh, I love. 10 out of 10. Give me 14 of them right now. And the bottom, it's flat, so you can set it like that, you know? You don't have to have it like rolling all over the place. Oh, NYX, you thought of everything. I am absolutely getting another shade in this one. Which one am I getting, you ask? I don't know yet. It has to be something that I like the scent of. That's gonna be the one thing. But I really like this color. It's so pretty. Sweet Snack. Oh, it's not snack. Sweet Smack. My bad. Number 3. Really pretty. I love this. I ordered a product from Sephora for this, and they sent me the right brand, the wrong product. This is the first time this has ever happened to me. Maybe not. This may have happened before, but I don't remember. Because I've been seeing a lot of ads for the IT Cosmetics, their new sun blushes, and a lot of them were sold out. So I ordered one, and the whole bin arrived with the products that I ordered. And this was by IT Cosmetics for sure. But what really got me confused is that it's the Bye Bye Redness. It's a neutralizing correcting cream. But it's like, that is my shade for sure. That's the weird part. It's porcelain beige. Like if it would have been in like a shade that's like not my skin tone, I would be like, oh yeah, that's a mistake. But I looked at it and then I had to think to myself, did I actually order that? Nope, I didn't. That was wild though. Wasn't expecting that. So I ordered that, and that should be coming soon. So we'll jump to that. Okay, everyone, it's blush time. So now we're finally gonna try the sun blush. I got the shade Sun Blossom. This is a cream blush, but also has a lot of skincare properties to it. And it was selling out fast. I don't know how delicately to plop my brush into this guy. I don't know. I use my fingertips. Ooh, got a lot of like slip to it. All right. It is light and peachy. My guess, if I had one, is that this is more for you want to wear blush on like a beach day, but you don't want to wear foundation. This is your answer. Like a soft, barely there blush. It's very cold. I am building, very buildable, no issues. We need to start bringing back smiling so you can put some blush right here because it is so flattering. At least it is on me. I like the color, I like the application. Blending well, building well. Yeah, I have no notes on this, and I do like the shade a lot, but is it gonna replace like a big blush moment for me? No, it's not, but is it doing exactly what it said it would? Yes, it is. This is what we are looking like, so let me know what you think. I cannot believe that this has 10 million downloads. 10 million, are you joking? Who did I see? I saw Courtney Cox and Lisa Kudrow. I saw Jimmy Fallon. Jimmy's was interesting. A lot of thought went into that one. Kira, Kevin Hart, like just like a bunch of celebrities. And that would not have been cheap. I think LeBron James, like millions, tens of millions of dollars on celebrity endorsements. That's nuts. And they all had talk points. Like they all had like very specific talk points that they had to hit. That was like insane. Let's play this. I have it up on my screen. Put it over here. Agree.
Once upon a time, King Richard lost his kingdom. And though his trusty friends were heartbroken, the king was undaunted.
There.
For he found the perfect place to rebuild. Sort of.
It's perfect. Let's get to work.
It's a whole movie. And like a well done movie. Wow, they really get you invested in this thing, huh?
Yes. This place will do.
And just how big can the kingdom get, you ask? Well, how much can you play?
Whoa. That's crazy. Okay, make a match next to the box to break it. Oh, I just have to do this. I see. Oh, okay. So it's just one of these games. And I have to go through? Is that what they want me to do? What's this guy? I don't even know what I did. All right, well, it's just one of those normal, like it's just a regular game. And now it's trying to give me clues because I'm taking too long. All right, well, I'll try and get through the box and then we can talk about it, I suppose. Stop giving me clues. All right, well, there you go. This is nothing happened? That's it? Like, I understand the appeal and a lot of people like these things. It's not necessarily my thing, but like I get it. Oh, you want me to do the weird thing. Okay, I did it. All right, and then I got a potion, I understand. And then I guess you earn money when you do the puzzles, then you can do tasks, I guess, and you can make your castle. I see. I understand. And then, okay, so then you just go through the process. I understand. These are one of those games. Understood. Okay. And then, I mean, if you've seen any of the ads, you already know, like, this is a no Wi-Fi. You can do, like, there are no ads, because there's just a bunch of things. Like, I don't understand how this works, but sure, whatever. It is a Candy Crush, but with, like a plot. It's like if Disney movies had a game attached to it, and then it was also, like, Animal Crossing, because you can, like, build stuff in, like, a kingdom. That's kind of how I would describe it. I guess if you're on a commute and you like those kinds of games, then like I can see why people would invest time into that, and I can see that as being like heavily addictive. I know one of them is wrong. That is not my cup of tea. I'm like a Sims girly. I like Sim Tower, Sim City, The Sims. I like the roller coaster, what is it? Roller Coaster Tycoon and the zoo one. Like those kinds of games I really like. The ones that have a little bit more strategy to them. I'm not a big fan of those kinds of games. But like, it's well done. I just don't understand how they make any money. I assume, my guess is that when you get really heavily deep into the game, there are a lot of like in-app purchases and you're so invested at this point that you're just gonna buy them. That's my guess, but I have no idea. If anyone has any idea, please let a girl know. Okay, now I wanna talk about one. Again, this is off of Instagram. A lot of you wanted me to try this. Buy it, try it, test it out, because you've been seeing it everywhere. And I get it, I've also been seeing it. It is the Poppy and Peonies Tote. Again, seen it everywhere. And you guys wanted to know what's up with it. It hasn't arrived yet. Now I'm in my setup for my other channel. And that is because I have Lo here today. She's going to be testing some food products. Probably already seen it. We'll link it if you haven't. But because she missed the Boat and Tote reveal, I figured, you know, we could go over the very popular Poppies and Peonies. Dewy. They don't have a little rip thing. That's really annoying.
They believe in your muscles.
They do believe in my muscle.
Hi, kitchen setup.
Look at you. Wow.
I'm back. Guess who's back? I feel like every time I'm back, I say that I like. That's my only way of being back. It's like I have to say I'm back.
Yeah, exactly. How is this so? Hold on. Have you seen these bags?
Oh, all the time.
Oh.
And I keep getting served up that ad, the Poppy and Peonies ad of the girl in the airport. Anyone seen that one? I've like every third thing on my TikTok is the girl in the airport. This is the tote bag, you said, right? Yeah, I see this all the time. Takes me back to my commuter gal era.
Of course.
Yeah.
That time.
Yeah.
Long ago. Can't believe you wore jeans. That's so embarrassing.
These me?
Yeah.
These are sweatpant jeans. These are my sweatpant jeans.
These dynamite.
We're on RachhLoves, right?
No. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
My
sweatpant jeans. Yeah.
Oh, those are so good.
No.
They look so good on you. I'm
Thank
so
you.
mad.
Thank you.
They don't fit you.
Oh no, my legs are too tall. I'm built like a model.
This is the bag. So I got it in the, I don't even know what color this is.
Cognac?
Did you say cognac?
Is that not how you say it?
I don't know. Cognac? Cognac?
Cognac, like the drink?
Yeah, that probably makes more sense.
Yeah.
It's
Am I saying it wrong?
I have no
know.
idea. Look at her. You have to tell me, how do we feel about this bag?
Well, first of all, very nice feeling.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Like
like
the-
zoom out so everyone can see it.
Yeah, like the text, like it looks premium for sure.
I never have an overhead camera for this.
Yeah. Ooh.
Wow.
Welcome to the other side.
Wow. Yeah, like and it's not too over the top.
No, it's
know-
very it's matte and nat. You were the commuter gal, then I had my commuter gal era, and my commuter gal era, everyone had the black matte and nat backpack. People out there, someone,
Yeah, everyone's nodding.
Everyone's
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
hey,
yeah.
yeah, the matte and nat backpack. But that vegan leather became very popular, and that's the very matte and nat-esque. Yo, I'll show you. You've even seen it.
I probably have seen it, but
Even
like
you
I wasn't
who
there.
don't leave the house. My little homebody.
I am a little homebody. Just gonna live in my kitchen. Woo!
Trolley pass through.
Love that.
Classic.
I don't know why I went from the bottom.
Yep.
But
Starting
now
from
we're
here.
here. Nice,
We
nice,
might
nice.
spend a little time together.
Just a wee bit. Let's open her up. Let's see what she's got.
Ta-da! I wish I had confetti.
That's okay. It's okay. We can edit it. So, what we got in here? It's too tall. I need to stand.
Yeah. I'm like way shorter than you.
This is a good angle. Everyone can see.
Very padded.
Super padded.
Actually, you know what would be cool? Okay, let's look at it first and then I'll look at my laptop.
Ooh, good idea. Yeah.
Because this is, okay, so when you start going through, you got your, first of all, I think where my brain goes now is this would be a great diaper bag, actually.
For sure. That's literally where I was going with that.
But they have lots of great compartments, and this is very padded. Like I have,
It's squishy.
what do I have? One of those Monos backpacks. Oh, it's a sleeve. You can take out the sleeve for the laptop.
Okay.
Should I go get my laptop now?
Yeah. I was like, it's still coming out. It's still coming out. Ah. But I guess it's supposed to. So.
And it's got a little flap on the top, so it can close, which is nice. So I have the 13-inch Air, but that would for sure fit a larger laptop. Like that would fit my Pro. Cute.
You know.
Cute. But also you could like take it out, put it in a different bag, which is nice. Like if you
Oh,
were like,
100%. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, but if you needed to
yeah.
you know, pack her up.
Yeah. Okay, so there are buttons. So if you wanted to secure it, you see now?
Yeah.
Here it can get secured to the side, which is nice.
There's like a water bottle thing.
Should we try our water bottles?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Water bottle.
Water bottle. This is a fun. So we all know the lore on the water bottles, but did you see your youngest? She came over.
Oh, yeah,
and she
yeah.
pointed because Lo and I have the same water bottle. She comes over, j'accuse, and was like, "Mom, sip." I was like, "What? No, I didn't. I swear I didn't steal it."
Technically, story about your mother.
She's the thief. Yeah, I was like, hold on.
And first of all, how dare you, if I may?
For sure. At least she was looking out for you.
This is going to be a not fair test actually, because let's see if it fits. I mean, whoa. Even if you're a Stanley girly or a simple modern tumbler like us,
Yeah.
pick it up. Like, how does it?
Oh, I like the length here. It's
Yeah.
very nice.
Okay, so you got your water bottle on the go. You got your laptop. You got your other pockets, your other little drinks, your sips.
Zip.
And like lots of room. So do you have like a lunch bag, a spare lunch bag? I was never a prepared enough commuter gal that I had it all in a lunch bag. So just like contain it
Like this? Okay.
Perfect.
Does it fit? Does it fit?
For sure. No
For
questions.
sure. Look at that.
Like you got tons of room in there. So even if you're doing like sometimes you do the change of clothes, you're going somewhere at night, throw in some extra makeup, like you're laughing with that room. So the only thing is it doesn't zip all the way, obviously, with a tumbler in it,
Yeah.
but like that's a 40 ounce. These are 40 ounce tumblers.
Yeah, fits a lot.
Fits a lot of stuff. And it feels really nice. This is overall a really nice bag, actually.
Yeah, honestly, like I really like it.
Yeah.
Like there's a lot of value to this.
For sure.
There's a lot of room for stuff.
Oh, a little key leash.
Love
Key leash.
when
We
guys
keep
have
saying
those.
like we're like up, down, up, down, up.
It is nice. I love when they have that because I am one that loses keys and phone all the time.
I can call you if you want.
All the time. That's literally all I do.
Do we think these are for lip glosses? Or like little cosmetic products inside? I would think so. Do you have a lip? I know you have
Is
a
it
lip.
for sure?
I know you do.
Is it lip glosses? Is it pens?
Could be pens.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
What if we put it on its side and then
Yeah.
we'd fit more
For sure.
things?
But even like back here, like there's room there. And this would secure this in, like if you press them in, like outside pocket. Like this is great.
Overall, I
great.
understand the hype.
If you're on the go, a good bag that keeps everything in place. Also like a padded bag. Like if you're like on a subway in rush hour, you're like putting it between your leg because someone like jostles you. You want to make sure your stuff is secure. Yeah, very cute. Like the color, very nice.
Yeah, so nice.
Yeah.
Do like.
Yeah.
Approved. Okay, next I want to talk about an Amazon collab. I actually saw it. I think it was Lauren Wolf. I think on TikTok. It was an Acquired Style and Lauren Wolf collaboration on like an athletic line with Amazon. And they had a bunch of different things. I was selling out super fast. And so obviously they were promoting it. They were talking about it a lot. So I bought some pieces. We're gonna test them out. I got what is deemed bright red. this shade, which if I'm honest, feels more orange. Like this is the tear thing, that's red. This is like orange. So I don't know. It says bright red on here. I don't know if it's called something else online, but that's what it says. So just so you know, not red. So I got their leggings and then it's like a sports bra top kind of thing, like a set, you know. Thought that'd be kind of fun, but they had a really nice like blue color. They had gorgeous like pink, and it had some cool piping detail, which I thought was really pretty. That was sold out though, but we'll go and give this a try. All right, this is for sure orange, right? Like there in no world is this red. The material is good. It doesn't have like a band across the top, so it feels nice and like flat and seamless. It does have a front seam, but it's not pulling or anything, so I don't feel weird about it. The top is good. I like the kind of designs in the back. Padding in it, it's thick, like it's good material. It's a good quality thing. If you're looking for a set, clearly they picked pieces that they liked and that worked really well for them. It's nice, like it's a nice set. I kind of want the blue one though. Yeah, I kind of want the blue one. They also had like a tank top too, you know, like that's also an option, but yeah. So, I mean, you can see it's thicker quality, like it's like, I don't know, it's good and snug. I don't know, like I like it. And then I need to take off my makeup to test out the next product, which is a moisturizer. This is from Tatcha, and it is their milk, what is it? Dewy milk moisturizer. Now I do really like, there's a bunch of products from Tatcha that I really like. Their rice polish, obsessed with it. I finally convinced Dibs to try it. She's obsessed. She's just number one. I was like, I knew it. I knew you'd love it. But this, I got the little sample size because again, I have so many moisturizers. If it's good though, I will rebuy it. This is supposed to hydrate your skin, soak up any oils, but also leave your skin feeling very dewy and glowy. I don't know how it does all of those things. Absorbing excess oil, but boosting radiance for lasting dewy glow. How can you be dewy, but also absorb oil? All right, I mean, like, I'll try it, but we must go take off this makeup. Okay, makeup is off. I'm kind of bummed about because it was a good makeup day. I have my serums on, and now we're gonna go on to moisturizer. It's a little guy. This actually be good to take to the cottage. Ooh, I might do that. Hopefully it's good. Mildly purpley, a little bit runny, almost like a serum in terms of consistency. Ooh, it smells nice. Little spa-y, like fancy spa. Really light. And then when you're applying it, I don't know if you can see this. It's almost creating like a tackiness. That's funny. I should have used this morning. That's the perfect like tackiness you want to do right before you were applying your makeup. Ooh, that's on me. Oh, a little bit of mascara. Good for me. It doesn't hit me in the face with hydration the same way a lot of the other moisturizers that I use do. This one is definitely more lightweight, and if you are very oily prone, I feel like this would be the perfect option for you because it's not really giving enough for me for every day, but this would be a really good hydrating primer for me. So I will try it as a primer and either put notes in the comments or I'll put it in the description bar. One of the two. Tell me in the comments what the last ad that you saw on social was. Let me know, I'm very curious. Was it a makeup thing, clothing? Is it something that you've been seeing all the freaking time? I've been seeing a lot of David's tea. That's just something that I just like has popped up in the last like couple of weeks. I should have added that. I've tested so many different ads, so you can go and check out all of those. I'll put the full playlist. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New videos here every single Thursday. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on the next one.